Welcome to Ideal Resources, manufacturer and supplier of soldering stations and electrostatic sensitive devices. The company was incepted in 2002 at Pune. Our products are applicable in pharmaceuticals, mechanical, and other industries. Tata Motors, Onaiba, and Whirlpool are some of our elite clients, and we are backed by efficient packaging facility and time-bound deliveries. We offer a diverse range of lead-free soldering, SMD rework, and soldering stations. BGA rework stations, solder pots, AC, and DC electric screwdrivers are superior in performance. We also provide ultrasonic PCB cleaners, assembly tools, and wire process equipments that are acknowledged for their functionality. Electrostatic sensitive devices, endostatic products, and LCD displays are a class apart. We are engaged in offering supreme quality moisture-proof cabinets, magnifying lamps, and fume absorbers that are extremely reliable. We are known in the industry as the manufacturer of tape dispensers and digital temperature control soldering station for electronics. To get more details, please visit our website www.idealresources.co.in.